Namaste everyone, my name is Kaushik. I am studying in Bangalore Institute of Technology in third year. These are my contents: Introduction, Construction Management, Project Planning Theory, Project Planning through MSP and Contracts Management, Sequence of Building Construction, Quantity Surveying, Quality Assurance and Quality Control, and Conclusion. Introduction. The Pravajana Construction Management Training Institute is a bridging institute for the development of young civil engineers on practical aspects of construction management. This internship by the Pravajana CMTI has enabled me to gain vast amount of knowledge on various aspects of construction management. Construction project management is a professional service that applies effective management techniques to planning, design, construction of a project from inception to completion for the purpose of controlling time and cost and quality. Objectives of construction management: completing the work within specified time and budget, which is very important for us, and evolving a reputation for high quality workmanship, providing safe working conditions for the staff and workers, taking sound decision at lower practical management level through delegation of authority, creating the organization that works as team, motivating people to achieve desired results. Project planning theory. Project planning refers to everything you do to set up your project for success. It is the process that you go through to establish the steps required to define your project objectives, clarify the scope of what needs to be done, and develop the task list to do it. And the requirements for understanding the project are client, the type of project, nature of work, type of contracts, project location and layout, master plan, detailed architectural plan, and phases of construction. These are the very important things to understand the requirements. And it also involves creating a set of plans to help and guide your team through the implementation and closure phases of the project. And as all of you know, Microsoft Projects is a very good software for developing a schedule, assigning resources to tasks, tracking progress, managing the budget, and analyzing workloads. The basic steps which were taught in internships in the internship which I have gone through are the creating project and saving it, creating project calendar, changing work time, create new calendar, entering the project information, modifying time according to the project requirements, formatting, entering sequence of activity, organizing, entering duration to activities, providing relationship, and identifying critical part and total flow days. These all things were taught very effectively by the Gandhi sir. And drawing study. Drawings are very much important because they are used to communicate the technical details of project in a common format. The different types of drawings are setback drawings, central line drawings, RC details of footings, good for construction drawings, which were very important, working drawings, furniture drawings, external drawings, etc. And after the construction also, of the control panel also, the same set of drawings is used for on-site installation also. The drawing packages also includes all these things: the A for architectural drawings, structural drawings, interior drawings, electrical drawings, HVAC, HVAC drawings, plumbing drawings, landscape drawings. A thorough knowledge of level of development is very important for all of the civil engineers for understanding everything. Contracts management. A contract is a written or spoken agreement, especially one concerning employment, sales, or tenancy that is intended to be enforced by law. In contract is divided into two stages: pre-contract and post-contract. Pre-contract includes the type of contracts are mainly general conditions of contract, technical specifications, bill of quantities, site investigation, estimation and costing, and pricing the word of contract. And the post-contract contains letter of intent, letter of acceptance, work order, budget, cost control, material reconciliation, virtual completion. And these are the types of contracts. These are item rate contract is an item is a contract which is undertaken on per piece or item basis. Simply, it's a type of contract where the contractor works and gets paid on per item basis, where quote rate is based on the quantity manufactured or work done. A lump sum type of contract is the type of contract where all the construction related activities are regulated by total fixed price agreement. It would be challenging to obtain any credit back for the uncompleted job. Turnkey, a turnkey contract is one under which the contract is responsible for both and design and construction of a high facility. The design and build contract. This contract, the design and build is describing a procurement route in which the main contractor is appointed to design and construct the work. The cost plus contract contains actual costs, purchase and other expenses incurred from the construction work. And there are some of the responsibilities that a quantity, And before the negotiation begins, specific expense amount must be included in cost plus types of contracts. These amounts represent a percentage of material and labor costs, which cover the continuing costs of operations and contractors' profit. Quality assurance and quality control. This quality control is defined as the operational techniques or a system of maintaining standards by reviewing, checking, inspecting, and testing. Quality assurance is a planned and systematic actions and implementation necessary to provide adequate confidence among the concerned that the work will satisfy the requirements. Controlling the quality can be achieved by conducting the tests on every construction material periodically as per IS codes. And these are some of the very important tests for quality control, which was very detailedly taught by Natarajan sir. The tests for steel bars, tests for concrete, tests for aggregates, tests for bricks, for sand, tests for cement. Sequence of building construction. This topic was very briefly, very detailingly taught by Natarajan sir on every level of it, clearing and leveling of site, foundation work, and all the soil nailing works, column works, and backfill to excavated pits, plinth beam works, raising of columns, installation of electrical conduits, masonry from floor to sea level, marking for doors and windows, lintel works, and masonry above lintel and roof works, execution of electrical and plumbing works, plastering, flooring and tiling works were all the finishing works were taught by Suresh sir in the workshop, and checklist and handover. Also, all the BOQ and everything was explained in the internship. Quantity surveying. Quantity surveying is one of the most important job profiles in civil engineering. It mainly deals with estimation, planning, and control of cost of the construction project. It includes cost estimation, cost planning, value engineering, feasibility studies, etc. The roles of quantity surveyor. Estimation of quantities as per tender drawings, concepts along with the assumptions. Review of BOQ received from the consultants as per checklist and highlighting the missing items, eliminating duplication, etc. to avoid generation of entry in the IT items in the future. Study of GFC drawings and preparing pre-estimation of quantities and of as per GFC. QS is required to audit the bill and not to certify the bill. Certification is the responsibility of the respective project team. And coordination with project and procurement team and coordinator, etc. And QS is required to audit the pre-final bill and confirm the values respective project in charge within 7 to 10 working days on acceptance of bill unless and otherwise any instruction. Conclusion. Actually, the webinars which were attended includes finishes in constructions and the home inspection services webinars and mega tunnel projects and many, I think almost 40 or 50, which I have attended, which were very helpful to gain me practical knowledges by many wonderful experts. So I would thank a lot for those wonderful webinars and this wonderful internship also. And the conclusion, the Provisional Construction Management Training Institute conducted a 4 weeks of online internship program. This program helped me to gain a practical as well as theoretical knowledge in the construction field. It helped me to build a confidence in interviews. This training would have been impossible with the continued and dedicated efforts and the guidance of Mr. E.R. Ashok Kumar sir, Gandhi sir, Natarajan sir, Anant Narayan sir, and Suresh B. Ramaya sir. I would express my gratitude to all of these great experts. It was a wonderful experience and will be grateful for providing this opportunity from the experts of Provizana Construction Management Training Institute, which taught me about the industrial-oriented knowledge required in the construction field. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Kaushik. And I saw your presentation was nice, and you have covered all the topics from the project planning, quantity survey, contracts management, the formwork, reinforcement, and the checklist, QA/QC. Lot many things. I'm happy to see your report, and Prayojana is supporting your Bangalore Institute of Technology since long. In the past 3 years, all your students are coming here. Lot of students, we trained them, and even we placed lot many candidates compared to any other college. Bangalore Institute of Technology, we are placing good number of candidates.
Yes.